Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 75 squared in a fast and simple trick I just learned. Follow me as I show you how. So we take our first digit, which is 7, and take the square of 7, which is nothing else but 49. We put 49 at one side like this, and take the second digit, which is 5. We take the square of it, which gives us 25. So we combine 25 with 49. Now what do we do next? We multiply 7 by 5 and by the exponent. So now we get 7 times 5, which gives us 35, and times 2, which is the exponent, which gives us 70. So we write 70 and add a 0 at the end and sum it all up. 5 plus 0 gives us 5, 2 plus 0 gives us 2, 9 plus 7 gives us 16. So we write 6 and bring 1 here, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we can clearly say that 75 squared is 5,625. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.